Brian here with DQ Yachts on our latest listing, a 43 Midnight Solstice. Really unique blue color. We've got our quad 450Rs, Seakeeper 3, low hours, all the features you could want. Here on the stern of our 43 Midnight, quad 450Rs in the custom Midnight Blue. Coming forward a bit, tons of seating, as Midnight always does well. Under this aft seating is our Seakeeper 3, and the custom teak inlay, ease of use, easy to clean, doesn't get hot, weathers well, all that you would need. Moving forward into my favorite part of the boat, the entertainment section. Really spacious. Have our side door with ladder, kitchen and galley, 2 coolers down below, and a fun one, we've got our overhead shower for hot days or getting out of the water. Moving over to step-off access for when you get to the dock. Specific to the Solstice model, hardtop is extended for optimal shade. Walking by this massive subwoofer here, we have JL audio speakers throughout. We have 4 12-inch subs, 10 speakers, along the fast and loud theme. Floor storage, both port and starboard, and unique here are these gunnel storage compartments, both on port and starboard, and multiple throughout the rail. Here in our double row seating, of course, Midnight always doing the seating well. Custom blue color continues forward with the matching leather. Seat definitely gives you a hug, diamond stitching, foot rests, cup holders, and when you're going real quick, you're gonna feel comfortable. Moving forward to the captain's area, full triple garment MFDs. We have our Go Light bow thruster, and if you're wondering, top speed of this thing, 86 miles an hour, can cruise at 45 to 55. Another unique feature to Midnight Express, their own security system comes with this key fob. Can't start the boat without it, kind of like your car key. Turns the batteries on and off, and you cannot turn the boat over without this with you. Lastly, all digital switching, giving you a really clean layout of the helm area. Can control everything all the way up to your ambient lighting throughout the boat. And moving forward, we have our huge true glass windshield. Keeps you dry, keeping the wind out of your face. Speaking of wind panel here, also keeping all your guests comfortable and the wind out of their faces all the way to the back of the boat. Continuing to move forward, we'll go down below into the console. Tons of space for you and your guests, comfortable if you're doing crossings, staying overnight. You've got your galley area there. The custom blue continues. You have your carbon accents and a blue suede finish. Lastly, down below, more controls for your comfort as you're down here. Easy access to all your wiring and panels, more storage. And then we have our bathroom with the retractable toilet, which allows you to use this as your shower with a lot of space, and then the toilet can retract out to be used and then right back in for shower and space when you need it. Finally coming towards the bow, again walking by massive JL audio speakers throughout, more floor storage, more of our unique gunnel storage. We have our lounger area, cup holders. There is no storage underneath, that's for more headroom down below. All the way into the very spacious bow here, we have hydraulic headrests on a button. We have a hydraulic table that I'm standing on, ample storage underneath all of this seating area. We have a windlass for ease of use, of course. And then finally, heading towards the top of our oversized hardtop, lighting for at night, spotlight, and our Garmin radar, of course, finishing in the custom Midnight Express blue. And that concludes our walkthrough on this 2022 Midnight Express 43 Solstice you have any questions, please give us a call at DQ Yachts.